Welcome back to our channel. I'm Caroline.
And I'm Lon.
And today we're doing Spin the Wheel Challenge.
So how this works is we're going to spin the wheel, and we already blew it up because we couldn't fit it on. But anyway, so we're going to spin the wheel. Let's say I got soap. And then we're going to put in the soap. And if we get more than 3 times, you can have it 2 times. But if you get it more than 3 times, you get to spin again. So let's get started.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Only one. Okay, you get to go first.
Foam beads. So blue, please. They don't mix it in. Glitter. I wanted glitter.
Okay.
Foam beads.
You have to do it again.
Got it. I already have so many in here. I'll do that now because I don't want to waste them.
So you have the soap.
Activator. I have a feeling. Is this activator?
Yes, but colorful.
Ooh, that was a lot.
Activator!
Where am I going with my hand?
I got activated.
Good job, Lily.
I know, I'm wonderful.
When you try your best, but you don't succeed.
Barely any compared to me. It's already formed.
Oh no, this is
No activator, don't get activator.
glitter!
Glitter! Glitter! Give me the rose gold.
The rose gold.
That one. Yeah, that's rose gold.
That's so good. Okay, okay. We'll get it in here.
This is going to be a great slime.
Glitter!
I want glitter. I'm jealous. Wait, can I spin?
Yeah.
Glitter, glitter, glitter. So. Of course it was.
Did you just go?
I got soap.
Soap!
More soap.
Okay, this is the last time
Second
I
one.
get soap. It's the last time.
So.
Okay, that's the last time you get soap.
I always.
Please not soap, please not soap.
Foamy!
Yeah.
I want glitter.
Activated!
I need an activator, kind of. I'm going to have just a little.
How about once your slime is formed, then we're done. Okay?
Okay, that was barely any.
So once I got it again. Yeah, it's a camera.
Yeah, we have a camera.
Water! Oh, no one's gotten water yet. Or shaving cream.
Frickin'.
No one's gotten water.
Stop it. Get some help.
What?
Red knife. And there's a slime. Okay, guys.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
And turn on the little bell to be notified when we post.
Also follow our Instagram.
It will be on the screen.
Yep.
And I think that's really all you need to know besides we're going to rate right now. So mine is really fluffy, and I don't know why.
Yeah, because we didn't get shaving cream.
Yeah, no, I didn't have it. I thought we would have got shaving cream. But we didn't. And this one's mine. So basically it's a white base with blue foam bead, some hot pink sequins, and some pink glitter.
Okay, so mine is a green slime with blue foam beads, purple glitter, and rose gold glitter.
Oh yeah, mine is rose gold.
Yeah. And I'm just going to say what I'm going to rate mine. So mine's really stretchy. Like, I'm surprised because I added so much activator in the beginning.
Mine's sticking to my hand because I have gold all over it.
Mine's not sticky at all. But I love mine. It's super stretchy, fluffy, clicky, pokey, you know, all that jazz. Anyway, I'm going to rate mine a 10 out of 10. It's great.
Okay, mine's sticking to me because I have dried glue on my hand from lab game, and so like it's like sticking to my hand because we had this like project at school, and so like I like mine really good poke. It's super stretchy, and I didn't really like the combinations at first, but now it's kind of growing on me. besides I don't really like the different blue, and the glitter is kind of weird, but like it's not that bad. And yeah, I rate it out of a 10. Maybe like I would give it a 9. We hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Bye.